very fortunate for MSCV University that one rock art will identify in the foothill of Similipal. So, what it is, sir?
Yes, recently we have discovered one rock art site near Similipal Biosphere Reserve. It is about 5 kilometers from Similipal and located on a small stream called the Badam Khol, and it is located very close to a small tribal village, Chadkota. So, this particular rock art is having some kind of engraving features of anthropometric as well as zoomorphic features, where there are some kind of human figurines, both male and females are engraved, along with some animal figure like goat or deer are deeply engraved, maybe with the help of a sharp stone or maybe any kind of iron or other metal which are available in that locality.
Sir, how many years ago it is?
On the basis of the inscription found on that particular rock art site, and especially from that shelter, it is believed that it could be up to 7th to 9th century AD, because the inscription found in that site are written in Sanskrit in that Siddha-Martika script. So, here we found two type of script. One is written in Sanskrit, Devanagari script, and another is in Odia. So, that Sanskrit what is written, that is written is Surjo Tapasya Vartika, means a lady worshipping sun deity. Similarly, there are some very old Odia scripts are also present there, which belong to usually 7th to 9th century AD.
So, this kind of very interesting rock art and many other things were found in the Similipal Foothill and other places. What about Mayurbhanj? This is home of the rock art or other?
Yeah, this is very interesting question. If we will see the origin of rock art, so this particular place is having very important. Unfortunately, there are very less work has been done in this area, because this rock art is very closely associated with the prehistoric human cultural evolution. Starting from the Mesolithic period around 10,000 years BC, human people started living inside the rock, and from that time they started making some kind of arts, either in the form of painting or in the form of engraving. So, from that time continuously our paleodenizens, they are making some kind of art either on the rock shelters or caves. So, in India there are so many rock art sites reported during different time of period. One of the important rock art site, rock shelter is located in Bhimbetka, and that is coming under the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Coming to the Odisha, particularly the western Odisha, there are numbers of rock shelters are reported by Professor Sadashiv Pradhan of Utkal University, Dr. Divisada Brajasundar Gadnayak of Archaeological Survey of India, and many others. And these rock art sites are having both painting, engraving or together. So, there are numbers of rock shelters having such kind of painting, which used to indicates about different kind of activity, different types of motifs, different kind of figures, different position, different activities, use of different color and their location. So, it also indicates about their environmental condition, about the socio-economic condition, their economic life, their religious life, their activities, their hunting, agriculture, etc., etc. But coming to our particular this site, which is called the Akosira, located in the foothill of Similipal Biosphere Reserve, this is comparatively belong to the very late period. During that time, human being already established their life in very settled way. They already started living settled life, started agriculture. So, but Similipal Biosphere Reserve is a hub, and ideal place for human habitation from 2 points of view, because here the food resources are plentifully available, animals are plentifully available, and water is located in the close by area, that is the river Bodhabaranga. So from that point of view, might be these people of ancient time, they selected this place as the ideal location for their habitation. So the engraving used to depict some kind of feature like that human figurine, the male member was having a kind of cap, turbine, and holding a horse, a sword, a kind of weapon. It indicates about its that activity, that is the fighting or war. Another person is also running. The female figurine is a kind of Tribhangi style, the dancing figurine having some kind of costume. So that is indicating about their about art, culture, tradition, dress pattern or costume, their material culture, what they were having. So this is based on our the preliminary work. So now we are again going to work in detail about this with the specialists from different fields like epigraphy, archaeology, iconography and others. So thank you.